jungle, the crowning finale. Monday at 8, only on Animal Planet.
Welcome back to the show. I have with me world-famous film director, and if I may say so myself, artiste Champs-Élysées, Pierre Lemieux. Welcome, Pierre.
Oh, but of course, it's very nice of me to be here.
Now, Pierre, I understand you've recently applied your unique vision to the world of television commercials.
I did, Dave, and it was a very difficult challenge.
A what?
Challenge. You know what I'm saying, Dave?
Not really.
Exactly, but in the end, it was swell.
Watch.
We're on the set of the North Pole Ad Agency's holiday commercial for their newest tasty product, Polar Bear Pops.
Right there, see those?
Yeah.
They're good for you, they taste great.
At least that's what we told these 3 young actors. Actually, this isn't a commercial, and Polar Bear Pops, well, they don't taste so good.
This is showbiz, this is television, and you really gotta sell it for me, okay?
Let's see the smile. Thumbs up.
All right, we got a double thumbs up.
For his big television debut, French-Canadian director Pierre Lemieux
Let's get your co-star out here. Ralph, why don't you come on into this?
adds his signature north-of-the-border flair.
There's Ralph.
Hi, Brenda.
There. Special effects, I want a little bit of snow trickling in there. Yes, look. Ooh, it's a wintry night in Halifax. Beautiful. That's beautiful. 3, 2,
Hi, my name is Jason, and my friend Ralph and I want to tell you about a great new product.
At first, everything seems to be going smoothly for the kids.
Say hello, Ralph.
Hello, Ralph.
Ha, what a kidder.
But when you're on an animal kidding set, smooth never lasts.
a little more snow right there. Yeah, more like Winnipeg in December. Beautiful. That's nice.
Hey, have you ever wished you could be as strong as a polar bear?
Well, now you can with new Polar Bear Pops.
Polar Bear Pop? What's that?
Hold on. A little more snow, kind of like Welland, Ontario. Oh, that's perfect. That's nice. I got to get out to the ice rink. Okay.
Well, the kids seem to be taking our fake snow pretty well. But when it's time for them to finally taste the Polar Bear Pops, they won't be able to put on such brave faces.
Here, go ahead.
You see, Polar Bear Pops are made from frozen fish extract. And they taste awful.
Go ahead. Have a lick, Jason. Go ahead, Brenda. Have a lick. Go ahead, Nicole. Have a lick.
Boy, that's polar bear-licious, and it's as refreshing as the Arctic breeder. I want some more.
Okay, the Pops taste terrible. And we thought fish oil was supposed to be good for you.
Wait, hold on. We're going to start right from there. A little more snow, kind of like Sarnia. Oh, boy, I got to get a better toboggan. Okay.
And even Ralph the polar bear starts in on the kids.
Try licking all the way around the pop. Just go ahead, take a nice big lick. That wasn't a good lick. Give it a really good lick. Go ahead, take another bite out of that pop.
There you go.
I can't take it.
More snow, please. That's right. More snow like that.
It's like a blizzard of fish flavor right in my mouth. When you feel like licking a fish, reach for a polar bear pop.
Take another good little bite there, Nicole.
Oh,
More snow, please. Oh, that's like Brantford, Ontario. That's where Wayne Gretzky grew up, by the way. Let's read this. The last one.
when you feel like licking a fish, reach for a polar bear pop.
These are good. Anybody got any tartar sauce?
Thumbs up.
Okay, so maybe the commercial won't be making the Super Bowl halftime show.
What did you think?
Good.
Really good? What do you think it tastes like?
Sardine.
Like a sardine. Yeah. Do you like sardines?
Yeah.
Yeah? That's very good. Boy, I'll tell you. Oh, boy. This is great. Boy, this is like being at home.
Polar bear pops! Yeah!
That was amazing, Pierre. Quite a work of art.
I know.
So how do you top that? Where do you go from here?
From here? Well, first I have to go to the grocery store, get something for petit déjeuner. Then I have to go to the video store to see if they stock up on all my movies. They don't have my movie in there yet.
Pierre
Dave.
Lemieux,
And,
ladies and gentlemen.
It's really hard to find, you know.
We'll be
I'm
right
trying
back.
to convince them, show that movie. You know, I direct over 7,000 films. Sure, they were student films.
Coming up, it's the return of Broadway Dave and his Christmas animals.
My name is Broadway Dave, and these are my Christmas clams. And I think that they'll be wonderful in the Christmas pageant. What do you think?
They're stink city.
The Animal Kidding Holiday Special will be back in a moment, right here on Animal Planet.